Hello everyone, welcome to this video. You all know that already we cover up the mathematical methods part for the solution of the IIT JAM preparation. We already covered for from day 1 to 9, from day up to 9. We already covered for the mathematical method solution for the IIT JAM examination previously from 2020 to 2010. Okay, from 2010 to 2020 mathematical methods part we already covered. Now we start the mechanics and the general properties of matter part of IIT JAM examination with the year 2020. So let's start with the question. This is the format of this IIT JAM examination, you all know, and this is the instruction, and this is the syllabus of the mathematical methods. Sorry, this is the mechanics. This is for mechanics, right? This is the syllabus of the mechanics. The first question says that for a particle moving in a certain potential, central potential, which one of the following statement is correct? For central potential, for central potential, we know potential, the angular momentum is conserved. Momentum, that is L, is conserved. Okay, and the angular momentum, if this is particle move in the rotational motion, the angular momentum along this axial direction and the position vector is along that. So their dot product, the r dot l, will be 0. That means the particle motion is lie on the a plane, because this l is constant. Since l is constant and the perpendicular direction will be the position vector, so this must be a consist within a plane. So the answer of this question will be the motion is restricted in a plane due to conservation of angular momentum. Option number A is the correct answer of this question. Answer A. Option number A is the correct answer of this question. Go to the next question. A wheel of is rotating at a frequency f0 hertz, right? The wheel of a rotating in the frequency f0 hertz with a fixed vertical axis. The wheels drop in t0 second with constant angular deceleration. The number of turn covered by the wheel before it come its rest. Okay, so for that we can use the formula like that. V is equals to u minus at. It is the linear formula for linear motion. In case of angular motion, this is the omega equal to omega 0 minus alpha t. The final is 0, so this will be this is omega 0 minus alpha, this is t0. So you can say the alpha is nothing but omega 0 by t0, and omega can be written as 2 pi f0. This is the angular frequency, this is the linear frequency, this will be the L is the angular acceleration. This is the not acceleration, angular deceleration, right? And what will be the angular displacement? Angular displacement. What will be the angular displacement? The theta will be nothing but you just remember this formula is equal to ut minus half at square. Okay, so this will be omega 0 t minus half alpha t square. Just put the value omega 0 t is t0 minus half alpha is omega 0 by t0, and this is the t0 square. So you can say omega 0 t0, and this is half omega 0 t0. So this will be half omega 0 t0, and put the value of omega 0. This will be 2 pi f0 by 2, and this is t0. So this is pi f0 t0, right? So pi, is there any wrong? Okay, this is the theta, and the question is the number of turn covered the wheel before this. This is the theta, the angular displacement. So number of turn for a single turn, the angular displacement is 2 pi. For single turn, the angular displacement is 2 pi. For that Angular displacement, number of turn will be total theta by 2 pi. So theta is pi f0 t0 by 2 pi. So this become half f0 t0. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Go to the next question. Two objects, masses m and 2m, moving at speed v and v by 2 respectively, after undergoing complete inelastic collision, they move together with speed v by 3. That's mean, say this is m with speed v, and another one say 2m, another one say 2m with speed, suppose suppose v by 2, and they collide and move with same velocity. This is v by 3, and they are combined, so the mass of this will be 3m. Okay, so if you consider that the angle is theta 1 and this angle is theta 2, so along x direction, along x the momentum conservation law says the component of this, just component of this momentum, this is a two component along that direction and that, and for that this will be that and that. So along this direction these two are equal with this, so this will be nothing but the mv cos theta 1 plus 2m into v by 2 cos theta 2 will be 3m into v by 3. Very simple. So this will becomes mb are cancel out, so cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 will be 1. Along y direction you can say mv sin theta 1 equal to 2m into v by 2 sin theta 2. So this will become sin theta 1 equal to sin theta 2. So theta 1 equal to theta 2. Just put here theta 1 theta 2. So this become 2 cos theta 1 equals to 1. So theta 1 equals to cos theta 1 equals to half. So half is cos 60 degree. Right. So theta 1 is 60 degree. Similarly theta 2 also 60 degree. So the angle between these two are the total theta 1 plus theta 2. This is nothing but 60 plus 60 120 degrees. So answer of this question is option number B is the correct answer of this question. Go to the next one. Two planets P1 and P2 having mass m1 and m2 revolve around the sun in the elliptical orbit, and the time period t1 and t2 is the minimum and maximum distance of p1 p2 are this given. So if we write this data, just you can imagine the time period. So you know the for elliptical path the time period t square is proportional to aq, where a is the average distance, right? So here the given data says for planet P1 the mass is m1, for planet P2 mass is m2, and time period t1, time period t2, the radius minimum r, maximum 3r. So a will be r plus 3r by 2, that is 2r, and this become 2r to 4r. So here this is called a1 and this is called a2. 2r plus 4r by 2, that is 3r. So you can say, so t2 by t1 square is nothing but a2 by a1 square. So a2 will be 3r and this is 2r square. Sorry, t square equal to aq, t square proportional to aq, t square proportional to aq. So this will be q. So you can say t2 by t1 is nothing but 3 by 2 whole to the power 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 root under 3 by 2. This is the answer of this question. So option number C is the correct answer. Here option number C is the correct answer of this question. Okay. Go to the next question. Water flows in a horizontal pipe in a streamlined manner at an absolute pressure is this. Okay. So the pressure is this in one end. Suppose this is a water pipe. In this end, pressure will be P1. This is P1 and speed is V. In this point, the velocity is V1. If the pipe is pressure at P2 other end, in the pressure P2, this is P2. What is the speed of this? What is the value of P2? Right? This is the question. V1, P1, P are given. So from Bernoulli's theorem, from Bernoulli's theorem, Bernoulli's theorem, we can say, for Bernoulli's theorem, we can say the pressure energy, the kinetic energy, and the potential energy, total energy will be conserved or constant. So for 1 P1 plus half rho V1 square, since they are in the horizontal, so the potential energy will be the same for these 2 points. That's why we neglect this or cancel out these two square. So you can say half rho V2 square is nothing but P1 minus P2 plus half rho V1 square. So you can say V1 V2 square is equals to 2 by rho P1 minus P2, 2 by rho, that is V1 square. So V2 is nothing but root under of this 2 by rho P1 minus P2 plus V1 square. So 2 rho is 1000, P1 minus P2, this is 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 5, 5 and 5 10 to the power 5, so this will be 3 into 10 to the power 5 plus V1 square, V1 is 6, so 6 square is 36. So there is 3 and 5 2 are cancel, 3 are cancelled out 2, so this is 600 and 36. So this is 636. So this will become nearly larger than 25. This is nearly 25.22. So the answer is around 1 decimal plus. So answer will be 25.2. This is the answer of this question. Go to the next one. The angular momentum of a particle relative to a origin varies with the time t as this. The angular momentum is given that L is 4x cap plus a t square y cap, where is given the L and the torque. So you know this is the L vector, the angular momentum. The torque is nothing but tau is dl dt. So if you derivative with respect to t, this becomes 2a t y cap. So what will be the angle? So for that you need to find out the dot product. For finding the angle between any two vector, you can use cos theta equal to their dot product by individual magnitude. So if we dot product, the y dot y is 1, so this become 2a square tq and the magnitude of L is nothing but 4 square, that is 16, plus a t square square, so a t to the power 4, and the magnitude of tau, this will be nothing but 4 square, so 2 a t. So cos theta is nothing but the dot product by individual magnitude. So this become the dot product will be 2 a square t cube, and the magnitude of this is 16 plus a square t to the power 4, and this is 2a t. So you just put the value 2 a square, a is 1, so this become 1, and the angle is 45, so cos 45 cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and this is TQ. We need to find out T actually, and this is the 16 plus A is 1, so this is T to the power 4, and this is 2T. If we square in both sides, this becomes 1 by 2. This is 4T to the power 6, and this is 16 plus T to the power 4 with 4T square. 4 cancel out, T square T to the power 4 and 2. So 2 into T to the power 4 equals to 16 plus T to the power 4. So T to the power 4 is nothing but 16. So T is nothing but 2. So this is the answer of this question. Answer is 2. Clear? That's it. In the next video we will be solved of 2019 in the mechanics general properties of matter part. Okay, this is all about me. This is my contact detail. You can contact with me by WhatsApp or the Telegram channel regarding any physics related question. And this is my YouTube channel details. Go to this YouTube channel. You can see get the videos which already uploaded, and share this video to your friends so that he or she also get benefit from this video. Subscribe this channel if you do not subscribe up to date, and if you already subscribe, thanks for that, and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming video when I will be uploaded. Take care. We will meet in the next video as soon as possible. Thank you.